Klaytn, Kakao's worldwide public blockchain project, for the most part is an undertaking great administration-driven stage that for the most part offers an easy-to-understand blockchain experience to millions in a significant manner. It especially holds the best elements of public blockchains and private blockchains through a productive half-and-half plan. The computerized guide cut by Klaytn for its clients for the most part has placed the power in the possession of financial backers, expanding the liquidity potential. The result of mechanical upgradation concerning thinking, planning, and conceptualizing has been remarkable, particularly for digital currencies like the local badge of Klaytn called klay. Before we in a real sense start with fair-minded Klaytn cost forecast, check the total outline, which is very critical. Klaytn truly is gotten by interest from various exceptionally legitimate brands all over the planet, cooperating to make a solid business stage on a powerful arrangement of decentralized trust for the most part. Klaytn empowers organizations and business visionaries today to catch a steam utilizing blockchain innovation. Mission, Klaytn, to declare the mass reception of blockchain experience for individuals across the globe and address the issues connected with versatility, openness, and straightforwardness. Klaytn centers around engaging organizations and business people to offer blockchain applications. The arrangements given by Klaytn truly are strong, and the organizations of Klaytn with various regarded worldwide brands in every practical sense make it a reliable stage upheld by decentralized trust. Klaytn adds to people in general as well as private blockchains viewed as completely decentralized, which for the most part is very critical. All above adds to the in general Klaytn biological system by putting resources into Klaytn programming improvement. Klaytn allows you to accumulate your robustness code both utilization in the program and locally. Klaytn additionally upholds rapidly testing and conveying savvy contracts with cutting-edge engineer insight. Klaytn Scope permits you to track down information by checking network well-being and insights of Klaytn as well as profiling blocks and exchanges on Klaytn most certainly. In light of our Klaytn cost expectation, and in every practical sense, long-haul increment is normal. The cost estimate for 2026 is $1.13. With a 5-year speculation, the income for the most part is supposed to truly be around plus 1.44%, and that implies it will be a productive venture. Our Klaytn cost estimate information demonstrates that the coin cost has been on an upswing for the beyond 1 year. As per our conjecture framework, the future cost of Klaytn explicitly is anticipated at $5.68 following a year. Likewise, it very well may be $2.70 exactly 1 year sometime in the afternoon, which is genuinely huge. In the following 3 years, the most significant level Klaytn cost could reach $7.09 according to our conjecture. Klaytn to USD forecasts. Toward the beginning of December 2022, the future cost will be around $1.66, and in every way that really matters. Greatest exchanging cost of $1.98, the base cost of $1.40 for December 2022. Klaytn cost conjecture toward the finish of December 2022 $1.66, a change for December 2022 4%. We update our future Klaytn figure routinely with new qualities. We are making a figure of future costs for a tremendous measure of computerized coins like Klaytn with specialized examination techniques incredibly. In light of our Klaytn cost gauge, the coin could explicitly cross the $2 mark before the current year's over. During the last year, the Klaytn cost remained at the sort of the least value level of 10 cents. However, later, after July, the coin figured out how to accomplish a value level of 80 cents. Afterward, with huge help from allies, Klaytn digital money began a vertical journey taking it above $1.80. Klaytn value expectation 2023, which is genuinely huge. A quick, dependable organization can assist klay with begetting gain a lot more exorbitant cost of $1.75 per coin incredibly. If the drive for useful crypto go on into 2023, the cost might try and see a worldview rush. Klaytn value expectation 2024. There are a seriously truly couple of hypotheses going ahead for klay, particularly keeping in context the mechanical declarations and progress the organization explicitly has plans on. There are presumptions its cost might reach $1.92 in an unobtrusive manner. The blessing done by significantly security and versatility highlights with fundamentally thrilling special endeavors might build klay cost by that much in most certainly such a short measure of time. Klaytn value forecast 2025. In spite of mainstream thinking, klay drives zeroing in on schooling, effort, and advancements may sort of take them to an obvious degree of $2.41. On a drawn-out situation, klay is set to quit slacking with extremely other digital forms of money to obviously show up at an exchanging cost of $2-3 according to our figure. In the event that all markets turn positive, this advanced cash is set to break all hindrances and explicitly perform richly, scaling the top as previously mentioned. As per our Klaytn figure, very much like other cost gauges, we anticipate that the future clay cost may effortlessly contact $2.19 before the year's over 2026. Would it be advisable for me I essentially introduce and run an end to utilize Klaytn? Or so they thought. Indeed, in negative. Ian Point Hub approves the blocks and opens RPC APIs to the external world, and is constantly required for your application to interface with the Klaytn organization. For the people who just for the most part need to attempt Klaytn APIs, you can explicitly attempt CAS, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. CAS gives Klaytn Hub Programming Interface Administration that uncovered RPC APIs of Klaytn organizations and other helpful programming interface administration. Can antivirus block my signing into Klay, which is genuinely critical? Indeed, it very well may be. The explanation, consequently, being numerous framework programming bars any outer substance considering it malware. The best certainly is to make an exemption so especially your enemy of infection permits Klaytn to get to your qualification. How does Klaytn acquire importance on the lookout? Klaytn is one genuinely such stage that stands consistent with its legitimacy, as opposed to mainstream thinking. It would be important to specify that clients need to rest their confidence in the stage for it to flood on the trade graph following the value rise and drop alongside its market cap. Could I at any point utilize ERC20 and ERC721 agreements on Klaytn? Indeed, Klaytn upholds robustness as a savvy contract language in an unpretentious manner. ERC20 and ERC721 written in robustness for Ethereum can for the most part be conveyed and executed on Klaytn, which is genuinely huge. Further, Klaytn explicit symbolic principles can generally be characterized, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Why essentially is my expense payer account address not got from the key given? The record proprietor needs to change the key for the sake of security in an exceptionally significant manner. Expense payer accounts ordinarily play a part-based key. How does Klay guarantee security contrasted with different coins? Straightforwardness with security insurance is a component that makes Klay exceptionally particular. Where could I at any point purchase Klay? All sort of regarded trades have Klay on their foundation. You additionally will generally profit from exchanging Klay straightforwardly for government-issued types of money like USD, EUR, GBP, and so on, or other digital currencies on many trades. Brokers can likewise profit from the block rewards program on Klay and track forecasts prior to facing any challenges or venture-related choices in light of cost change. There is an assurance of rising and fall of this resource. Clients need to contribute reasonably founded on expectations for benefit and bringing in more cash.